Okay, so here's my jig for pressing apart crankshafts. This is a like a motor plate off an old 440, I think, and it's reinforced with two pieces of angle, and it has this slot cut out just wide enough for the total diameter on the connecting rod there. So that width. And how it works is you stick it in there's the pin there, pin side in. And you just slide it in like that. All the way in there like that. The reason you want it just the width of the connecting rod, so it just fits in, so you have the most area for the pressure to go through the web when you're pressing this pin here. And you'd have to take these bearings off first, obviously. But basically, you'll push on the pin. You push the pin out of the web, and the rest of the crankshaft will just fall. Okay, so here's the whole press setup. One thing you want to watch for is when it's on your bed here that you shim this up. If your connecting rod hits the bed here, because you don't want to bend this up. There's the back. Again, you wouldn't have the bearings there, but you're just pushing that pin out of the web using the press. Another thing to note is that you should stand to the side just in case anything kicks here, like that pin, if it kicks out, because it won't. It'll go this way or that way, and you'll be out of harm's way. As it gets pressed out, you'll need to put a longer pin or just step that pin up a bit. Otherwise, it'll hit the end of your crankshaft there. And yeah, on the shims under your jig here, my jig has a bit of flex in it, so that's why I needed to do it. But if you can make something more solid, and this is free the whole time you're pressing, you'd be golden. We'll set up there. Say this is as cheap as you can get it. Most expensive thing there is a jack.